Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Darius from DariusCooks.tv, and I'm back with another amazing video. And listen, a really easy, and I say easy, I do mean easy, recipe that you can do for dinner any night of the week. It is going to be amazing. It's a skillet lasagna, and believe it or not, your boy is using store-bought pasta sauce. But of course, we're gonna zhuzh it up a little bit, all right? So let's get that working. We're gonna get a skillet warm, all right? And then into that skillet, I'm gonna add some olive oil because we're gonna start to saute and build up the layers of flavor. That's the key when it comes to using anything store-bought that we gotta cook. You wanna help give it some love, all right? Oil's hot, in goes some bulk Italian sausage. You can use the spicy or the sweet, doesn't really matter. All right, so let's break up the Italian sausage as we add it in. And then we're gonna start adding in loads of other things. So I've got onion, bell pepper, and celery. And I'm also gonna add in some garlic, fresh chopped. We'll give that a stir. And we'll cook it just until the sausage is done. All right, so the sausage is just about cooked out. And like I said, we're gonna zhuzh this up. So I've got some Stella Rosa Black. It's got a little bit of sweetness to it, which is great for a pasta sauce or cocktail, or stress reliever, or whatever you need it for. Give that a stir, and as you stir it, you wanna just grab up those little bits on the bottom of the pan, because those are pretty important. All right, I'm gonna bring this heat down to medium-high-ish, and I'm gonna add in our pasta sauce. Now let's go ahead and season this, and just give it a little bit more extra love. I've got some herbs de Provence, or Italian seasoning, garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, and then lastly, some dry fennel. We'll give that a nice stir, and then we're gonna bring that all the way down to a simmer and let that hang out. And so all those flavors just sort of meld together, get a chance to have a little bit of fun and marry themselves. Meanwhile, the thing about a skillet lasagna I like are all the textures, the creamy, the soft, the noodles, all that good stuff, right? So I'm gonna make a really quick whipped ricotta that we're gonna dot, or blot, dot, whatever, put all over the lasagna. All right, so for the whipped ricotta, I'm gonna add 1 container of ricotta cheese, a couple of cloves of garlic, right? Because that's always great, you know, for your heart. Let's drop in a little bit of salt, and then of course, some fresh cracked black pepper. All right, and then what really makes this whipped is heavy cream. And then with the blender, we'll give it a go. Put the lid on, or else you're gonna be That's all it takes, right? And what you basically end up with is this sort of modified ricotta cheese situation that's got all of that garlic and, it smells good, all that garlic and that really heavy cream in there. So it's like a, I don't know, like a ricotta spread. You could put it on toast, but in this case, open face lasagna. Speaking of, let's build it. And then let me show you how we put the whole thing together. Okay, we'll start by adding in some sauce. I've got some oven-ready lasagna sheets. Just put them in here, no, nothing fancy. Let's take some frozen spinach, and we'll blot some frozen spinach all around. Why don't we add some of the ricotta mixture right in there? This is supposed to be very rustic. This is very weeknighty, okay? Nobody got time to be shredding cheese on a Tuesday. Okay, load that bad boy up. All right, cheesy all on top. My oven's at 375 degrees, and this is gonna go right into this hot oven. We are going to have some lasagna. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. We're gonna have some lasagna near and far. Let me get in here for a little bit of a taste. Maybe this thing is hot. But how bad could this be, right? A little bit of wine, a little bit of ricotta, a little bit of cheese. Oh my God. The ricotta is so amazing. And God bless the makers of that oven-ready lasagna. It has the red wine in here, and it has the herbs, and the sausage and the ricotta and the garlic is so good. If you're gonna do this for a weeknight, this is the way to go. You gotta give it a try. Recipes like this, you know where they're gonna be on the website. It's DariusCooks.tv. Listen, there's two things I gotta tell you. Ooh, as I always do. Food is my life. Life is my food. Until next time, I gotta wish you a happy cooking. From my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.